In this video, you'll learn how to pay for a meal when we are including a tip. I'm going to do one example problem for you, and then you'll get to try one on your own. So let's go ahead and check out this first problem. Here, Maggie paid $18 for dinner and wants to leave a 20% tip. Okay, so how much will she need to pay in total for dinner and the tip? Well, the best way I know how to do these problems is to go ahead and find the tip first, and then we add that back on to our meal. That's if we're doing it by hand and not using a calculator. Okay, so how do we find a 20% tip? Well, the way we do that is we convert our 20% into a decimal. And to do that, we're just going to move the decimal point 2 times. So we're going to have a decimal right here. So we're going to end up with 0.2. 0.2 is the same as 20%. Okay, so now we can just multiply that times our dinner price. So we're going to do 18 times the 0.2. Okay, here we have 16, carry the 1, and a 3. Okay, don't forget your 1 decimal point. So we end up with $3.60. Okay, not just 3.6, but we're talking about dollars. So we need 2 digits with our decimal. So we're going to have a hundreds place as well. So we have $3.60. Now we simply go back and add that to the cost of our meal. So the meal was $18, right? And we're going to add $3.60. When we do that, we end up with 60 cents, $21.60. So that's how much it would actually cost Maggie to pay for this meal if she's including a tip. $21.60. Okay, again, just to go over the steps. First, we convert our percentage to a decimal. Then we multiply that decimal times the original amount of dinner. And then we add that amount back to our original price of dinner. And this $3.60 is the tip. So if the question is just, what is the tip amount of 20% on $18, your answer would be $3.60. However, they ask us for the total of dinner and the tip. Okay, so the total is when we add them back together in the end. Okay, let's have you try one now. Our problem is Callie is paying the bill for dinner. If she plans to leave a 15% tip on a $45 dinner, how much money will she pay in all? Well, what I'd like you to do now is try this problem on your own. So what you can do is go ahead and hit pause, try this problem on a piece of paper, don't use a calculator, actually solve it by hand, and then come back when you're finished and I'll reveal the answer and how we solve it. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. I'm going to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. Our answer is $51.75. Okay, let's go ahead and knock this problem out. Okay, again, our first step is to change that 15% into a decimal. So 15% converts to 0.15 because we're moving that decimal 2 times. All right, now we take that decimal and we multiply it by the price of the dinner. So we have what? $45 times 15 cents. I'm sorry, the decimal 0.15. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 5 is 20 plus a 2 is 22. Now don't forget to bring the 0 down and cross out our numbers on top. Here we have 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. Add it up, we end up with 675, but there's 2 decimal places. So 1, 2, $6.75. Now this amount is our tip. If they just asked for the tip, that would be the answer. But they want to know how much we are going to pay in all. So that means we need to add this $6.75 back onto our total of $45. So we have $45 and no cents plus $6.75. When we add it back on, we end up with $51.75. And that's how we find that number. All right, I hope that helped. Now, if you do need some extra help in the form of some math tutoring, you can visit www.mathradio.com or just email me at scott@mathradio.com for some private one-on-one math lessons. Okay, talk to you soon.